Southern Gardening is enjoying the Cottage Garden at historic Sunnyside. This is a great example of combining edible and ornamental plants. One of the ornamentals that I like are the black and blue salvia. The flowers are large and the plant has dark green leaves. The black stems and calyces accentuate the deep blue flower petals of black and blue. I really like the contrast between the black and the blue colors. The huge leaves of squash plants add a really coarse texture. Look how the morning sun backlights the leaves, revealing the intricate veining patterns. I love the big yellowish-orange flowers hiding under the leaves. Alongside the squash are potato plants. Have you ever seen a potato flower? I love combinations of flowers and herbs. This pretty planting of bright blue phlox is intermixed with the aromatic foliage of sweet spearmint and the wispy, delicate, and frilly fronds of dill. Roses certainly have their place in this garden, with a gorgeous bright pink Peggy Martin rose sprawling on the back fence. And mixed throughout the garden are a beautiful variety of other roses, ranging from pretty blush pink New Dawn, dark red heirloom Don Juan, and red and white variegated Raspberry Cream Twirl. There are also blueberry bushes with fruit that will soon be ripening, along with pickling cucumbers. When you combine pretty flowers with your vegetables, you're on your way to enjoying an edible landscape. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.